Customize image animation with Pixverse's new Magic Brush. Visit Pixverse AI to get started. Join the Discord community or log in on the web using your Google account, Discord, or by adding your email and password. Pixverse offers a free plan with 150 initial credits and 50 credits renewed daily. I'll guide you through using the Magic Brush with several examples and tips. On the home page, click on Image to Video. For the first example, upload your image from your device. Next, click on Magic Brush. You will see two tabs. First, click on Select Magic Brush Area. You will find 6 brushes in different colors. Simply select the area you want to animate and draw the direction of the movement. Choose the green brush. Adjust the brush size and color over the shark to select it. The tool is intelligent and can auto-select the area. Use the erase brush for a more precise selection. Now, select another brush color. I will choose the sand as the second area. Don't worry if you change your mind. You can undo, reset area selection, or redo by clicking on the icons at the bottom right corner of the page. Let's test the Auto Area Selection option at the bottom of the page to choose the sand area. It perfectly selects it. Now it's time to add the direction of movement. Click on the Draw Magic Brush Direction tab. It's very simple. Just draw an arrow to determine the direction of movement. Use the same brush color as the one used to select the area. Choose the green brush and draw an arrow to indicate the direction of movement for the shark. Then, draw another arrow for the sand to determine its movement direction. Finally, click the Confirm button. In the prompt section, you can add a prompt or leave it blank. It's optional to use. By adjusting the camera motion, you can control and fine-tune the camera movement. Adjust the motion strength parameter. The higher the value, the more movement. Select a seed number or let the AI randomly select it. Using the same seed can result in the same outcome. Then, click on Create. If you're impressed with the result, upscale and download the video. If not, click on Retry. For the second example, first, I upload the image. Then, I press the Magic Brush. I use Auto Select to choose the car and the sand. Let me add some additional selection areas as well. For elements that will move in the same direction, use the same brush color to select them. Next, I draw arrows to determine the movement. This brings the image of the car back to life. At the same time, you can adjust the camera motion, zoom in on the image, or rotate the camera to give the viewer the feeling of entering the scene. Well done! You can see how impressive it is. For the next example, I chose a fantasy image with many elements. I want the unicorn and the girl to move towards each other. A gentle breeze will blow, moving the leaves. The water will flow in the river and waterfall. So I selected each element individually. You don't need to draw the arrows directly on the elements. It doesn't matter where you draw them in the image. And that's the result. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Don't forget to share your creations. Happy animating!